feels like serious.
Serious, yes.
It's a very serious instrument.
Why does Dexibell exist?
To make the digital piano much more near to the acoustic piano.
Oh, okay, this is a piano key?
There's a pink piano, like this pink.
Okay.
So this is coming up when you're pushing down.
So reducing the gap about the sound, the keyboards, and everything related to the approach of the digital piano.
This is different. I can feel another layer underneath this, and it makes it feel much more realistic to an acoustic piano. Made in Italy.
Made by Italian design. So completely different design, but the most near natural sound if you compare with the acoustic piano.
Hello and welcome to Italy. We are here today at the Pro Factory and we're gonna go on a journey to see how keyboards are made. So I don't know how keyboards are made,
Where do I go with this?
but I wanna know and I bet you do too. So let's go. And another thing that's really, really cool is just how very organized this entire operation is. Parts, when they're ready for assembly, get put into these different areas. So in this little blue square, we have the actual keyboards, the insides, the inner parts, and those are gonna get moved over here. And then over here in the yellow section, we've got the actual assembly happening. So it looks like it's going together in 3 stages. We've got soundboards happening over here. This is the brain of the keyboard that you're playing. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I am going to be helping to build a real piano, electric piano, well, specifically an organ in this case. I'm here with Cinzia. Did I say it right?
Okay.
Okay, yeah, good. Yay. And I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna help do it. So, how do we do this?
The first step in building this digital organ is to prepare the circuit board for wiring and placing all the various parts needed to control the electronic elements of the keyboard. As you can see, this is a tedious process involving many small parts and lots of tape. I think this is wires. Oh yeah, all the wiring. It's just all being put together with such care.
I never thought I'd say the inside of a keyboard would be beautiful, but it is.
Once the circuit board is ready, it'll then get placed into the solid metal frame of the keyboard. Once in place, the cables are then carefully inserted and organized to ensure nothing is messy or loose while you're on the road. Don't cut the other wires, Lisa.
Don't cut the keyboard.
Haha. Just here building an organ. No big deal.
Yes. Now who doesn't love pressing buttons? I sure do. To complete the electronic components of this digital organ, all the buttons are now connected to the circuit board, and these fancy Italian speakers are then wired and mounted carefully into custom boxes to enhance the sound response.
Okay, let's talk about this for a minute, friends. This is like a big moment because
what is an organ without keys? It's now time to wire in the keyboard component and seal it in. And because Dexibell really cares about feel, they've designed unique keybeds for their digital organs and pianos to best match the real acoustic feel and reaction of either instrument, which we'll talk about right now.
this is different than what you put in the pianos.
Yes.
A little bit.
Organ keyboard.
After taking a detailed look at the 2 variations of keybeds used in the Dexibell digital keyboards, I noticed some striking differences between the 2. When looking at the keybed used within the digital organ, you'll notice that to best match the feel of an acoustic organ, they're using a unique mechanical-based action to trigger the sound.
So the bottom of this is connected to all of the green brains in there, so that when this pushes down, it triggers the sound. Do I have it right?
Now, looking at the digital piano keyboards, you'll notice that they've developed a detailed hammer reaction design to best emulate the real feel of playing an acoustic piano.
My brain's gonna think about this completely differently forever and ever and ever now, because look, these are coming up and creating a contact point. So my hands are feeling that connection with these hammers. This just feels really right under the hands, and I'm suspicious this has quite a bit to do with that.
And now that you understand the significance and just how much attention goes into these keyboards, it's time to wander on over to testing to make sure that this digital organ is ready to play. And then it goes over here for testing. So I don't know what this stuff does. I just want to turn all of these, but I'm not going to do it. It does something very cool to make sure that the quality of the instrument is at the highest level.
In the beginning, I went touring to show the product with musicians, and in some shop with some dealer that they don't manage acoustic piano, we had to show to them what is the real sound of the piano comparing with the acoustic, because they were comparing with the other brand, and we showed to them, please look at the acoustic piano. This is the real sound of the acoustic piano. We are emulating this, not the competitors, because the competitor is not emulating anymore the acoustic piano. They are going in a completely different direction. This was in the real life touring on the street. We took a lot of time to develop any articulation, any nuance that you can get on the acoustic piano and you can get also on Dexibell.
Done.
Yay!
Okay.
Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, goodbye. Have a good day.